Home Gym Charity Challenge. We are venturing outside. Oh, we can. The lockdown is over. What we're gonna do is take £100. We're gonna go into town with our face mask and make sure everything's nice and safe. And we're gonna go into charity shops and try and find enough kit to be able to do a workout at home. Are you ready? Come on the journey with us. We're gonna be cashless anyway, you know, contactless, all that fun stuff. Let's go. Thank you, lady, for stopping for me. So, we've got £100. We're not gonna have £100 cash because it's kind of not safe right now to be handing things literally to people. But we're gonna go to some charity shops and we're gonna hopefully find some home gym kit. Anything people might have donated that they weren't using over lockdown, or they're thinking, you know what, we can now finally donate to charity shops. Hopefully they've organised some of that stuff. We're gonna go to George Street first, and then we're gonna go into the centre of Brighton and see how scary it is for the amount of people that are around. Ooh, very exciting.
We'll see how many charity shops we're gonna get kicked out of.
Yeah,
filming.
pretty much. We're gonna try and see how many charity shops kick us out.
Yeah.
Even though we're trying to donate money, pretty much. Oh yeah, we're gonna let you keep all the fitness equipment. Remember, it's hot and sunny outside, so make sure you get your sunscreen. You look like a tourist. Having this gum, having a mask on it.
Being trapped.
I don't think this counts.
That. Ooh. Wait, what is that?
I have no idea what this is. No, okay.
No.
Nothing.
Oh man. Damn it. Oh, that was our first one.
Shame.
Missed out there.
What a shame.
Foam rolling?
Oh.
No, that's not a foam roller.
No, this is.
Oh, that is.
Yeah, this is what. Yeah, this is. These are.
Oh, yeah.
It is. This is a no. This is a fitness band. I mean, this is great. This is actually something that, I mean, it's just weird that it has a cat on it. It's for like massaging cat. We've got a yoga mat. Amy needs a yoga mat. I'm gonna get these. The thing with the white one is that it's going to be super painful because it's such a sharp point to actually use it as a roller. Nice.
Thank you very much.
Foam mat.
Like a yoga mat, right?
Yep, yoga mat. Got some bands. We got
This
some
thing.
like this, which is for.
It's like a roller.
Oh, well, you can already see that hurts.
Dumbbells. Are they dumbbells? Yes, and your favourite colour.
1.134 kilos. 3 tons. Let's get these.
What records do they have?
But we'll also then need to find a
A record
vinyl
player, yeah.
So it's £6 for 1 kilo dumbbells. Oh!
We've actually
Too
got
much stuff going on.
She's got it all to come, hasn't she?
Is that another one?
There's another one.
Oh my god.
People just don't want to massage themselves. I might keep it.
You do have to pay for it, but yeah.
Oh yeah, true. Does it fit?
Oh,
Does it fit? Does it look good?
not really.
Okay, that's fine then. That's fine. Hiya. Let's get this. I'm liking the casual, just plum. Just hanging
Yeah,
out.
it's only been now about 15
You'd
minutes.
be like, I want it now.
Yeah, you've got to use it though.
See ya.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
See you later.
Shakers? I wanted to go about shakers. Do you know what this is? This is a Jamie Oliver pesto shaker, which is amazing that it still exists. You literally just grind up here. It's like a pestle and mortar. Okay, so first shop we spent £5.05. Second shop we did £6. on one set of dumbbells, which was only 1 kilo, so there's not much weight at all. And then we've just done 3 pounds on one roller. So maths, that's 14.
14 pounds so far.
That's how slow my maths is. Right, let's go.
We've definitely got to have some stuff here. See, look, this is what I was talking about. This is like, would you just say a hat? I told you! What records do they have?
They need to find a
record player. Yeah. I told you! I'm thinking it's a relevant thing.
Listen, right. It doesn't matter. Just need like one fitness DVD.
There's definitely a Jamie Oliver theme going on.
Jamie Oliver's everywhere. No luck with that one. That is George Street done. We are over.
We got dumbbells.
We got some dumbbells. We got some funny things. I mean, again, it's gonna be dependent on your own fitness level. Yeah. We're gonna find something. I've got a way around it. Oh,
I don't really know what else we realistically find apart from dumbbells is the only thing that's happening.
What I would like to find is something actually heavy so you can get some resistance. There's a way around it. I'm not going to spoil it yet. If we need to, we're going to get to it. But what I'd also like to find would probably be a skipping rope.
Yeah.
Might be pretty good. You can find some sliders sometimes, so the ones where you slide your feet around if you have a thingy in them. They're pretty good as well. But I'll have to just hunt. Zebra crossing going into town. £1. Fit Friends workout. Which one we're going for?
Oh god. Oh no, you can look at
37 minutes, 57 minutes. More bang for your buck time wise.
Yeah.
Probably going to educate further.
No.
What I've got is an idea.
So again, this is a fitness challenge. Why have you got a bag?
We'll find out, mate. You'll find out. We've got our DVD for £1, and then we've just got this for £13. You'll find out why we have this in a bit, what we're using it for, but it'll be fun. It'll be good. Right. So, I have been in this Cancer Research UK before, and there is a kettlebell that they used to have that they would just keep the door open with. I don't know if it's still there, but I've asked too many times whether I can buy it, and they've every time said, oh well no, it just keeps the door open. So hopefully it's there, because at least we found it, but then sadly it will be there and we won't be able to actually have it. So let's have a look. I have no idea what it is.
God, what is that?
Oh, it's a Bop It Smash It.
Oh, Buzz Lightyear's melee weapon.
I told you.
We've done something. That is so annoying. That's such a lovely little kettlebell though.
That's so annoying.
Perfect shape.
Oh well.
You should go in there and like bid for it.
I'll be like, hey, 30 quid.
Oh, straight,
quid.
yeah, there you go.
I'll give you straight up £100 for that kettlebell.
Yeah.
I mean, if end of the day, with not finding any more kit, we still have quite
Should we
a
go
lot
back
left
there and
of
try
our
and
buffet.
barter?
I will try and haggle with them to get that one kettlebell, just to do some exercises with it. Or if we find a different actual doorstop, I'll buy that, bring it over for them, and then keep the door open. There we go. I have a feeling there's a charity shop up this way. We're in the lanes. Well, technically we're in the north lane, but everyone also calls this the lanes. So there's actually the lanes and then there's the north lane. Everyone gets those two confused.
I still don't know why you have the bag, by the way.
The bag
Yeah.
is about to be revealed
Ooh.
as why. The next charity shop is just a bookshop.
Oh, this place is real cool.
Very. Right.
Ostoctopus.
Osteoporosis. Pretty good. Strong bones for sports and massage therapy. Get on the strong bones. Nutrition applied. Oh Jesus, he's back. Oh, also describe yourself in 2 words. Got another set of books to fill in the bag. Heavy books. £6 at Cats Protection. We've got £6 at British Red Cross. We have £3 at Mind Hove. We have £1 at Shelter, £14 at British Heart Foundation, and £12 at Oxfam. So we've done £43. So we still have £57 to use at charity shops to try and get stuff we can do workouts with. Running out of ideas, running out of places. My eyes, I'm blind. So we're gonna have to have a proper think about this and be careful of what we do with the time that we have.
This gives you big fitness vibes, this place.
Yeah, more likely.
You feeling it as well? Yeah, he's feeling it.
Oh.
What?
Ladies and gents, we have found boxing gloves. This is actually probably the best thing we've found so far. $5.99. Ooh. Oh yeah. This is a Pilates ring.
Is that an actual fitness?
Yeah, this is an actual Pilates ring. So I'm not going to get to it, but you would. And you do these, and it's your adductors. And you pull them apart. That's for your back. Okay. It's an actual workout thing. We were right. We really felt it.
Yeah, we did feel it, didn't we?
We knew it.
Like,
we had the sense.
I came in. I was like, I'm getting fitness vibes here.
Fitness vibes. Fitness vibes?
Fitness vibes.
Fitness vibes.
Is that like a yoga mat?
I think it's a yoga mat. Some kind of mat. Yeah, but it's free.
And also this place. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Amazed we got the boxing gloves, because that is like a fine. So that's a fine and a half. I don't know if I'm going to have to carry this around with me like this. I'm going to fold this in half though. It was such a good last shot, but now there's like nothing.
No, I can't see anything.
Oh wow. I mean, I'm not getting it. Oh, she's ready. Let's play breakfast. Do you know what this is?
Nope.
Fitness. The more you know.
I mean, that says active on that.
Do you know what it is?
Oh, it's the thing that shakes you, right?
The vibration plate, yeah. Keno tape. I might actually get this. Oh!
Skip rope.
There we go. There we go. Now we've got a workout going. We found some skipping ropes. That means that we can make a really, really solid workout. That's the only thing I was like, right, where's the cardio coming from? Is it just going to be weird exercises that we're doing? We've got it all. We're all good. Right, almost done. So I can't let the kettlebell go. I'm going to go and try and haggle with the rest of the money we have left over of the £100 and see if I can get the kettlebell that was in Cancer Research UK. Let's go have a look.
Yes! Yes!
I got it! She was like, are you sure you shouldn't spend? So we spent £40 on the kettlebell because I just thought I would use the rest of the money to donate to charity anyway, because we're going to do that anyway. But then we got it to haggle with this, and they were just shocked at us giving that much money for a kettlebell. I'm like, no, we're gonna use it, I'm gonna love it. It's a good weight, it's 12 kilos. 12 kilo one, I'm gonna paint it and make it prettier. Right, let's go. That was eventful. We got some stuff, it was amazing. We got the kettlebell, that was probably the best part of the entire day. But we've also got some more equipment that can help us train, some equipment that can help us recover, and some equipment, books that can help us learn. We can use them for strength. Let's hit a really silly montage. Let's go. Don't do that. Today's obviously been a fun adventure, and I know it's been a bit silly and just mucking about and enjoying our time going and hunting for amazing gear you can find in charity shops, but the purpose of it is to say, try buying secondhand, try buying from charity shops. There's been a weird influx of loads of people buying online and then selling even more extortionately on Gumtree or eBay or Amazon, like right higher prices. Go and use charity shops, try and find some equipment. You can get some good stuff there. It's gonna be for a good cause, and also you're still gonna get fit in the process. Cheaper, more efficient, ecologically friendly, it's great. We're gonna have all the charity shop links down below of the ones that we supported, and thank you for watching the video.